The Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion 5-piece combo kit, model XT505, gives you 4 efficient cordless tools for drilling, driving, fastening, and cutting, with a cordless flashlight to light your work area when you need it. You also get the category's fastest charging 3.0Ah batteries and the expansive breadth of line of the Makita 18V LXT battery platform, so your batteries will power the expanding range of Makita tools and accessories. The XT505 includes a variable speed 1/2 inch hammer driver drill with 2 speed settings and a variable speed impact driver with a full 1,460 inch-pounds of max torque. The Recipro saw features a refined crank mechanism for faster cutting and demolition applications, and the 6.5 inches circular saw has 3,700 RPM for faster cutting and ripping through wood. The 4-position flashlight with Xenon bulb is a bright and portable light source for improved visibility in dark conditions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Variable 2-speed 1/2 inch hammer driver drill, 0-600 and 0-1900 RPM, with Makita built 4-pole motor delivers 480 inches-pounds of max torque, weighs only 3.4 pounds with battery. Number 2. Variable speed impact driver, 0-2900 RPM and 0-3500 IPM, provides 1,460 inches-pounds of max torque, weighs only 2.8 pounds with battery. Number 3. Variable speed Recipro saw delivers 0-2800 strokes per minute with a 1.25 inches stroke, weighs 8.1 pounds with battery. Number 4. 6.5 inches circular saw delivers 3,700 RPM for faster cutting and ripping through wood, weighs only 7.3 pounds. With battery, tool count, 5. Number 5. 4-position flashlight with Xenon bulb runs up to 7.5 hours per charge with a 5.0Ah battery. Battery charge time, 30 minutes. Number 6. 6.5 inches circular saw delivers 3,700 RPM for faster cutting and ripping through wood, weighs only 7.3 pounds. With battery. Number 7. 4-position flashlight with Xenon bulb runs up to 7.5 hours per charge with a 5.0Ah battery. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.